Winter mornings can be a challenge for drivers, with foggy and icy windows obstructing the view. But fear not, because your car's defroster is here to help. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to effectively use your car's defroster, ensuring you have clear visibility and safe travels during those chilly months. Let's start by locating the defrost button in your car. Typically found on the dashboard, the front defroster button is marked by a symbol that resembles a curved window with 3 upward arrows. The rear defroster button, similar in appearance but rectangular, is usually located nearby. A simple press will activate these features, lighting up to confirm they're on. Now, to tackle that fog and ice effectively, turn your heater and fan to their maximum settings. This helps combat the moisture on your windows by directing warm airflow at the glass. And while it might seem counterintuitive, turning on your AC along with the heater is key. This combination pulls out moisture from the air faster, making it the quickest way to clear those windows. Remember, defrosting time can vary depending on weather conditions, but allowing about 20 minutes should do the trick. Be patient and let your defroster work its magic. For best results, keep your windows clean and ensure air vents are unobstructed. Parking in sunlight when possible can also aid in the defrosting process. A word of caution: never use hot water on your windshield as it could crack the glass. Instead, consider using a de-icing solution for those stubborn icy spots. By following these steps, you'll maintain clear visibility and enjoy safer winter driving. So next time you're faced with foggy windows, you'll know exactly what to do. Drive safe and stay warm.